In this video, I want to take you through the Geology of Enugu State shapefile. The geological map of Enugu State has been converted to shapefile, and I want to take you through it. So here is the JPEG of geological map of Enugu State, and the source is from the Nigeria Geological Survey Agency. This is the agency in charge of geological mapping in Nigeria. So let's go to ArcGIS to show you the shapefile. In ArcGIS, let me bring in the shapefile we have converted by clicking on Add Data. Here is Enugu State Geology, and we have other states as well. I'll click on Add, and here is it. Now, to better appreciate it, let me show you the attributes of this shapefile by right-clicking and click on Attributes Table. Here you can see the attributes of this shapefile. You can see geology, you can see code. This geology name is as used by the source, which is the Nigeria Geological Survey Agency, and also the code as used by the agency. Then we have the formations as well, each geology unit belongs to. The shapefile of this geological map of Enugu State is available, and if you need it, you can check the description box. Alternatively, you can send us a request through WhatsApp or email. During the conversion of this geological map to shapefile, we encounter some challenges, and part of the challenges, as previously mentioned in our former videos, is due to inconsistency in the geometry of Nigeria administrative boundary demarcation from different sources. For example, if I go back to the map, that is the source map. If I come to the legend, here we have the code named ANSH, which represents shale and limestone. However, throughout the map, there is no part of the map or units that represents such geology in the whole of this map. So we try as much as possible to digitize this map in line with the Nigeria Geological Survey Agency informations, and also the shapefile of Nigeria administrative boundary from the Office of Surveyor General was used in georeferencing this map. Now let's go back to ArcGIS. Now let's categorize this map for better view. Right click and click on Properties. When it opens, instead of single symbol, let's come to Categories, and I want to categorize using the geology name. Then I'll click on Add Values and click on OK. So you can see the geology of Enugu State here. You can see the different geology we have in Enugu State. In case you need the shapefile, send us a request or check the description box for the link to get it. So guys, this is the shapefile of Enugu State Geology. Thank you for watching.